Hello everyone, good morning. It's your girl Cassandra back with another video. So as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we're gonna get right to the video. This is not really a tutorial, but I just wanted to show you guys my client Barry. Remember in the last couple of videos I had on that black shirt with the globe on it with the little like design on the back? This is actually the client who makes those shirts. He is a guy, and a lot of times when I put him on Instagram, I don't show his face until the very end because everybody thinks he's a girl because he has so much freaking hair. And fun fact, he's my only male client that I currently do. So yeah, 99.9% of my clients are female. He is the only male client, but he has so much hair. And Barry and I were just vibing. He comes in about twice a month to get his hair braided. So I always record him. He's pretty chill. So I asked him, could I post him on my YouTube? And of course he was down. So I just wanted to show you guys real briefly Barry's hair now. He's actually started coming to me a year ago in January last year. So he is going to pull up on his phone a picture of when we first did his hair and we first pressed it out. And this is in January. Hold on, I feel like an old lady. I don't know how to use my phone. This is in January 19th, 2019. So it's a little under a year, almost a year. But this is how long his hair was when we pressed it out. He had it shaved on the sides and kind of like a fade on the top. So this is why the hair was coming in a little bit short on the sides. But we got his hair to come in nice and healthy and long. And just in a year, this is how freaking long Barry's hair has gotten. But he also takes really good care of his hair, and we trimmed it about 3 times since then. But as you can see, his hair is really long and it's super thick. Like, this video doesn't even do it justice. We were in here just cracking up the whole time, just vibing. He's been coming to me for a year. He's a really cool client. I support him. And we were just having a good time. So I just wanted to show you guys just a quick video of me styling his hair. Nothing crazy. I'm just going to do some braids. Barry has a ton of hair, and I don't typically braid hair, period, unless I'm doing like a sew-in. So he's like the only client that gets this service done. But he trusts me with his hair, and obviously we've been growing his hair out, and I've been taking good care of his hair. He's very loyal. He doesn't go to anybody else but me, and he takes very good care of his hair, like super good care of his hair. So that's the reason why he has a lot of growth. And we're just going to grow his hair to see how long it can get, to be completely honest with you guys. Barry's actually going to Rome. So we were sitting here talking about Power because, as you guys know, Power just came on Sunday. I was a little disappointed with the episode, but anyway, he's never watched Power before. So I had to pull it up on my phone and let him start watching on my Stars app because we got to get Barry together on his trip. So he was just telling me here how he wanted his hairstyle. Nothing crazy. You know how most guys just want like simple braids or like a man bun. Obviously, we can't do that because he has a ton of hair. So I'm just going to throw in a couple plaits just so he can look nice on his trip. And we were both super shocked at how long his hair has gotten. Like, when we first started braiding his hair, it would not even reach like his chin. And we were struggling trying to get like the sides to like connect because it was so short. So just to see his growth is just amazing in 1 year. Like, what happens to your hair when you really take care of it, it's such an amazing thing to see. So this isn't really a tutorial. This is just me, guys, showing you that you can grow your hair, male or female, as long as you take good care of it. And also what you put inside of your body matters as well. So here I am just pulling up my phone and I'm telling Barry about Power. So he's sitting here watching it. And we're just sitting there talking about it. But I'm just going to throw in a couple plaits in his hair and show you guys the end result. Like I said, I typically don't do this style just because I'm not a braider. I don't have the patience to braid, and I just prefer not to braid. My kryptonite as far as doing hair is parting. For some reason, I cannot get straight parts. So I always put my client's face in the mirror so I can get a straight part. But his hair came out super nice, super clean. Nothing super spectacular, just some nice braids for his trip. But you guys did request to see the end results for all of my styles because when I did Taylor's blow dry and I didn't post her braids, everybody in the comments was going off like, oh my God, I cannot believe you didn't post her braids. And to me, they were just super basic. That's why I didn't post them. So anyway, we're getting to the end of this video. Barry's watching Power, the first episode, season 1, which I'm upset about. And here I am just showing you guys how I kind of braided the back. He has a ton of hair, so it took me a minute to get it all to lay down and do what it needs to do. But overall, he was super happy. I was super happy. I'm done rambling for now. I'm getting ready to enjoy my Monday. But I hope you guys have a productive and wonderful day. As always, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. If I can talk, I always struggle through these damn voiceovers, but I'm just going to keep talking. I never redo my voiceovers because I have no patience. But I will see you guys in the next video. And this is Barry.